Alright, so I got the lights hooked up. It was pretty easy. It only took me about 15 minutes. So, yeah, they look nice up there. I like how they rest in there compared to how I had this other one hanging. I'm just going to leave the clip for now. But, yeah, these are pretty easy to install. You got these two bars, just the two arms here on either side to go up. And you got this. You got a screw on this in this little groove that you can adjust wherever you want, up and down the track. And you just tighten it, adjust it as, as needed, straighten it up. And another great feature about this thing I thought I was going to have more heat in my tent, but I went ahead and hung it right here, plugged it in, got it up there chilling, so definitely going to have to move those now. But yeah, that's nice, I like that. It might be kind of hard to dial it in if I have to, but I believe we can keep this at 100%. I don't think it will matter. If it does, guys, let me know. I'd appreciate it. So I'm going to try to figure that out myself, but hooked right up to the Growline720. Beautiful setup. Nice, great coverage on her, and this isn't a 5x5 as well. So, but I give my room a little room for my tent to suck in. When that fan kicks on, it pulls it in pretty tight. So I don't want it touching it. But it's perfect. It's the way to go right here. Price you can't beat, definitely. Price you can afford for a great product that does amazing things. On top of that, if you guys follow me, you've seen what I've pulled out of this tent recently. So some beautiful smoke. Get on these.